Hi loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How you all doing? Hope you're good. Welcome back. And today's video is exciting because I am going to be twisting my hair, and I'm going to be showing you guys the techniques to get the juiciest, bounciest, and the best twist on your natural hair. So I'm going to show you guys how I move my hair from looking like this to this. So since you're interested in these, why don't we just get straight into this video? But before we do that, you may want to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming hair care and hair growth videos. And you might decide to as well check out my old videos to see if my channel is worth subscribing for, and trust me, it definitely is. So yeah, let's get started. So actually my hair is actually freshly washed. I just washed my hair, and I usually wash my hair in twists, so that's why it's looking like this, and that's why you can see some twist on my hair. So to start, I just unraveled the twist at the back section of my hair and packed up the other sections I was not working with. That's the top section. So I simply went in with my cotton comb to get my hair that neat straight parts as I can, as you can see now.
It's turning change just like your mind, like the sun gives into the moon, into the night. Time continues marching, it's slowly.
So after a while I was left with this parting, so I used a hair clip to clip the parts I wasn't working with. Then I went into parts each twist, as you can see right now. Then I went ahead to clip the part I wasn't working with yet. So I went in with a leave-in conditioner because guys, you really need your hair to be moisturized for this. To get that bounce, to get your coils activated, you need to use the moisturizer, which is a leave-in conditioner. And then I went in with my hair butter. This is a mixture of kernel oil and shea butter, but I ended up switching to using just shea butter eventually because I felt that did better. But I just used this just because I wanted to have that, kernel oil added to my hair and, all this stuff. But just using shea butter works perfectly. In fact, the shea butter, I would say, is the secret to get your twist looking so bouncy and so juicy, because it will reduce the frizz, it will add so much shine to your hair, and the bounce will be oh my god, out of this world. Guys, don't sleep with shea butter. When it comes to getting twist, try to get shea butter. Use shea butter after using your moisturizer, your leave-in conditioner, and you're really going to see it really works. It is amazing. So I simply started by weaving the hair so it can be firm at the roots, and then I went on to twist each twist. So basically that was all I did for each twist, and I noticed that this twist was still a bit frizzy, so that was eventually why I switched to using just shea butter, and that is why I solely recommend using shea butter. Shea butter helps to reduce the frizz of your hair, and you're going to see your twist look really juicy and with less frizz. So I simply just repeated the same process for my entire head of hair. I simply pat my hair out, and then I applied my leave-in conditioner. This is to moisturize my hair, to activate the coils of my hair, and then I went on to apply shea butter, which was what really helped my the hair to stay juicy, to reduce the frizz, and to add that bounce. And guys, just take a look at this. You can already see my coils were already popping, and you can definitely be sure that these twists were going to come out bomb. So yeah, I went ahead to start with braiding the hair, and went ahead to twist it all the way to the ends, and I got this juicy bouncy twist. So this is how the first line at the back section looked like when I was done with it. So I went ahead to pat another line and just do the exact same thing I did for the first line. So I basically kept on just working on lines till I was done with the entire back section. So this is how far I had gone the next day. I had done the entire back section, and this is how the twist came out looking like. And as I said, I was just working in lines to like get this whole consistent look. So my hair was already getting dry, so I simply sprayed it with some water to hydrate the hair. For this front section, I parted my hair vertically, not horizontally, as you can see right now. Then went ahead to part it more to each twist I will be working with. So at this point my hair needed to be detangled. It was a bit tangled or matted, so I went ahead to use the detangling brush to detangle my hair from the tip and work my way up to the root of my hair, as you can see right now. So when I got to this point, I simply parted my hair at the middle because you want that parting to be directly at the middle. So you know, I had to like go through some struggle to like get my hair to be parted directly at the middle. And then I continued twisting my hair, as you can see, and I was done halfway, and here's what's left.
The seasons turn and change just like your mind. Like the sun gives into the moon, into the night. Time continues marching, it slowly crawls with each new one.
So I'm finally done with the twist, and we're going to go to the next one, which is adding the bead part. So I had like 3 of these rubber bands, and I ended up using like almost all of them. I thought they would be too much at first, but I used everything, almost everything. So since you'll be using this directly on your hair, it's important to make sure that the rubber bands are used in a way that won't damage your hair. So I simply soak the rubber band in canola oil. You can soak the rubber band in any oil, just simply soak it for 5 minutes upwards. Now what this does to the rubber band is that it weakens the rubber bands and reduces the grip of the rubber band, so when you put it on your hair, it won't cause as much friction. And then next I got these beads, and as you can see there are 246 beads in total there, but I didn't use everything. I almost used everything because the twists on my head were like small. So yeah, that was basically it. Now to put this bead, this is like the easiest and simple way to put the bead on your hair. I'm using a bobbin pin, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use this. So I'm going to show you with this twist. First of all you simply need to do is to put this bobbin pin, like open the bobbin pin and put the twist or your hair inside it, like in between the pin, as you can see right now. And yeah, and then you're simply going to get your beads And put your beads in the bobbin pin just like that and pull your beads through your hair, and there you have it. Your beads are easily installed in your hair. Then what I simply did was raise like the tip of my hair above the first bead there, and then I went in with my soaked rubber band and just tied it around my hair to secure the beads like this. Also note that you don't have to tie it too tight, because this is supposed to be a protective style, so if you tie it too tight it might just end up causing too much friction on your hair. It might just be too tight and end up breaking your hair, so make sure you're not tightening the rubber band around your hair too tight. And yeah, that's so. Again, I simply put my hair in between the bobbin pin, put the beads, pulled it through, and then secured it using the rubber band like this. Easy peasy. And ladies and gentlemen, if there are actually gentlemen watching this video right now, this is the final look, and you cannot tell me that this isn't amazing. Like, I was obsessed with this look. Like, come on, come on, come on. Like the bounce, the juiciness, like everything. Like, this is some 4C twist here. Like, come on, it's just perfect. Like, it's perfect. Like, I really loved it, and I'm sure you're watching this too, you loved it, and I really hope this video was very helpful to you, like for you to like get some tips on how to, you know, get your twists to look as bouncy and juicy like this and cute like this. And I hope I also inspired you to like try this hairstyle. Like, it would really look amazing. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and as usual, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more of this kind of videos coming up. And you know, check out my social media handles for more hair growth and hair care related videos, and I will see you in my next video. Love ya.